finally made it. Whew, I'm out of breath. I'm getting fat. So I definitely heard like some dogs barking or something. I don't think it was coyotes. It sounded like just a normal dog. I don't know. Kind of sketched on that. I mean, I don't know. Maybe, hopefully there ain't no homeless people up in here, but I don't know. I finally made it. I'm sweating my ass off. I'm gonna have to get some wood together, get some stuff together. I'm gonna be making some homemade mac and cheese, and I found a little jalapeno bacon. Sounds freaking good. I got a late start. Had to work today and picked up a fish tank. Guess I didn't need to do that, but priorities. All right, let's get to it. try her out. There we go. Fire's looking like it's starting to pick up pretty good. Probably get food started. All I can hear is the damn highway. You should have seen walking in here. Walking in here, I have a little cooler, and I was carrying that camera, and God, everywhere I turn there's a spider web, and I was using my camera as a spider whipper. Call that thing the Spider Whipper 2000. I don't think I'm gonna do a tarp. Kinda don't feel like messing with it. It's really nice out though. We don't want creepy crawlies in our bag. No creepy crawlies. That's the nice thing about these hammocks. They got this little pouch. I just throw all my little baggies in there. All my baggies. My baggies. A little hack for you. I got one of these Sea to Summit bags. It's like pretty airtight. Put my clothes in there and get a little air in there, and boom, you got yourself a little backpack pillow. Little tip for you there. I'm just going to hang it off this ridge line. And I also got my little camp backpack chair. That my beautiful, beautiful fiance bought for me. This thing is a gem. And so is my fiance. She is a gem. I think I'll give y'all another little tip. I'll make it a 2-case tonight. If your significant other supports you enough that she drops the kind of money that one of these little Helinox chairs costs to support your passion, then keep her. Hold on tight. Guess I'll go ahead and get my noodles started. Trying to think how I want to do this. Ah, man. Gosh dang it. I forgot my darn tea, fellas. Ah! Well, I think I was pretty right to say that this place is pretty overgrown. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Sounds pretty dang dope. Sounds lit. I brought a couple of big waves. Gonna be enjoying that tonight with my milk and cheese. I wanted to go with a rotini because it's like really textured, and the cheese sauce will be able to get captured in that into the little grooves of this, so that's why I went with this one. I've never made mac and cheese in my life, so this is a first for me, so hope you enjoy the road. It looks like my water's ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in my noodles. We're gonna get a little extra. We also want ocean salty water. Can't forget that. Also looks like we got a little bit of some trail spice in there. A little trail spice, never hurt anybody. Unless the trail spice has COVID-19. How many of these noodles do I gotta lose to get the shot? Let's see if they're al dente, as they say. Let's see what this bacon's all about, huh, fellas? Cut from the top. Want to give it a waft. Oh yeah. Yes, indeed. Well, it looks like my noodles are about there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and strain this. I'm gonna go do this off camera. I'm gonna go ahead and move these noodles into a separate container so I can use this big container for my sauce. Then we'll just dump these noodles right back into the sauce. Perfection. The perfection. I'm gonna go ahead and stage my bacon next. Go ahead and get that rolling. Throw that right on the rocks. I'm gonna make my sauce now. Maybe if I can get this damn thing to stay. I'm gonna put the remaining bacon away for tomorrow morning. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a quick roux, and then I'm gonna add milk, and then I'm gonna add cheese, and then toss the noodles in that mixture. So butter, flour to make the roux, cook the flour out, add milk, and then cheese. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my butter in. This is gonna be hot, ready to go. We don't want to burn the butter either, so let's kind of take it off a little bit. All right. Kind of a lot of butter, huh? I did not measure this stuff out, so, and like I said, I've never made this, so bear with me. Like I said, I didn't measure this, so bear with me. I'm eyeballing it. What we want to do is kind of cook it for a minute until you kind of smell almondy, like an almond nutty smell. And then from there we're going to add our milk. Let that kind of thicken up a little bit. And then we're going to add our cheese. and then toss the noodles right in from there. Our cheese sauce. So I'd say it's about there. I'm gonna give it maybe 15 more seconds. I'm gonna come in with my milk. I got this container from my grandma. It was my grandpa's, and that makes it pretty darn special to me. So coming in with the milk. Take a swig. Take a swig of the milk. Yes. We're gonna save some of this milk for tomorrow morning also. Try and vigorously mix this so we incorporate all that. Probably ought to add a little bit of this milk more too. Yeah. We do need to add a little bit more milk, fellas. Vigorously stir. We want this nice and smooth. Got a little trail spice in there, I see. Alright, now I'm going to come up in there with my cheese. I went with Kraft triple cheddar. They say the milder, the easier it is to melt in. Good Lord. Kind of put a ton of cheese in there. I'm also going to put in some paprika. Just a smidgen of paprika. I'm also going to hit it with a little bit of S&P. Oh wow. So I'd say we're pretty much right there. I ended up having to put a little bit more milk in there to kind of thin it up a little bit. But I'm just going to toss in my noodles. I want to go a little bit at a time. Wow, this is a lot. I'm going to go ahead and break in my bits of bacon. jalapeno bacon. Never tried it, but it sounds phenomenal. Oh God, that bacon's spicy, man. It's got a little zip to it. I didn't think it was gonna be as spicy, but that's good. Give it a toss. Try not to lose any of the bacon bits. And that's it. Oh man. Like I said, I've never made mac and cheese in my entire life from scratch, but this is pretty darn good. Especially with the jalapeno bacon, it gives it a little zip with that paprika. Kind of jives. Definitely recommend trying that at least. This is pretty good. I'm actually surprised myself how well this turned out. I don't know that I need a big and huge thing like this to myself, but I'm not complaining. Well guys, here's to a safe remaining couple months of 2020. See if I can't get my candle lantern going. Put a little light on the subject, huh? Ooh, that's hot. Well, it's been kind of a minute since I've been able to shoot some more footage. Just been so wrapped up in work and, you know, just staying busy. You know, I got all this, got some new gear and haven't even been able to use it yet till now, but I'd really like to get me one of those Grand Force Brooks Scandinavian axes, but I need to get out of the doghouse for buying that camera first. You should have seen my old lady. I'm gonna be divorced before I even get married. Well, I'm gonna chow down on the rest of this mac and cheese and slam this beer and I'll get to you here in a little bit. Alright guys, I'm just gonna polish off my last big wave and go ahead and call it a night. You know, it's been a nice, relaxing night. There's really no overcast. Can't really tell, but stars are out, looking great. Yeah, it's nice to finally be able to come back out here or do something like this, because I've been so busy with work and everything going on. Oh man, I'm tired. It's 10 o'clock right now. You know, I feel like normally I could stay awake and, you know, enjoy just a little while longer, but I'm so beat. Tomorrow I'll whip up some eggs and some breakfast potatoes. Never tried the breakfast potatoes. Man, I'm all about trying new things out here this trip. But tomorrow's gonna be breakfast potatoes and eggs and the leftover bacon. That bacon was really good. Oh, I can't stay awake. I'm beat, guys. Well, I'm just gonna go ahead and get this all shut down and I'll catch y'all in the morning. I don't know if you can hear that. Sounds like we got coyotes just like right here. Yay! Well, how's it going, guys? Sleeping in. I don't know what time it is. Let me see what time it is. Well, it's 9 o'clock. Pretty much on the dime. I didn't sleep too bad. It was like hot and cold. I felt like I was getting really hot and then I was really cold. Probably should have put my sleeping pad in here, but I didn't think it'd be that bad. Yeah, I didn't get rained on or nothing either, so fortunately I didn't need to put my tarp up. I probably should have, but I just didn't feel up to putting it up and then taking it back down because I knew it wasn't gonna rain. But yeah, you know, get up and going, get breakfast on. Breakfast potatoes. Oh yeah, let's do it. I'm a rhinestone cowboy. Ooh. Got myself in the satchel. It's a really beautiful morning.
Taking a smoke bath.
Just want to get me some ashes going so I can start my breakfast. I got myself pretty good. Scratched myself. I might get some coffee going. A little single serve. Little Cameron's vanilla hazelnut, that's what we got today. A little bit of some of this coffee. I'm gonna cut up some of these potatoes. Go ahead and get them in there. That's probably what's gonna take the most time to cook. Little pepper. Salt. Garlic powder. Big nice drink of this milk. Cheers, guys. My eggs are still all not broken. That's good. Gosh dang crows. I saw a crow. Why are you being so difficult, you piece of bacon? Man, all the smoke is really stuffing me up. Alright, so I put a ashy log on top of here to kind of broil the top of my potatoes. My bacon's about done. I saved one more piece of bacon so I can cook my eggs in jalapeno bacon fat. Gonna try that out. So let's get to it, fellas. Shit. That was hot. But we don't waste bacon. That little piece of bacon's gonna be ashy. Maybe I'll try and find like some wooden tongs or something. I wonder if somebody makes some kind of wooden tongs. If anybody has any suggestions, leave a comment. Because I don't know if you can't probably tell, but I don't have no hair on my fingers or hands. A little melted hair into my bacon, my jalapeno bacon. Sounds delicious. Oh, these are good. Not bad, those potatoes are really good. Just gonna toss my bacon into my good pan here. So this is about good. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these out. Pop my eggs in. It's a 4-egg kind of day, fellas. I'm gonna try to kind of scramble this up. S&P. I don't like to put garlic powder in my eggs. If I'm gonna put garlic in my eggs, it's gonna be real garlic. I think I'm gonna go ahead and toss in some of my bacon bits in there too, because that sounds pretty good. I got plenty of bacon. All about this jalapeno bacon this trip. And one, I'm just gonna send it. Fantastic. It's coming together. All right, guys. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and eat my eggs, finish my coffee, and finish my breakfast potatoes. And then we're going to trek out of here and call it a trip. That's fantastic. And I do recommend this bacon. This bacon is fantastic. I'll probably get it next time. It's so good, actually. Alright guys, I'll catch you on the way out. Alright guys, I got everything packed up. I'm gonna get moving out. Yeah, I'm definitely liking this book bag. It's the Osprey 70-liter Archon bag. I had the Snug Pack before, and it was only, I think it was a 45-liter. But I had everything jammed up into that bag, and just toting it around, there was no back support to it or anything. And with this backpack, it's just a mile of difference. You know, the weight is distributed so much better, and it definitely feels like it's almost lighter of a bag, just by how the weight's distributed. I definitely recommend it. I also recommend the jalapeno bacon. That was fantastic. Next time you guys are at the market, pick some of that up. It's really good. But anyways, I'm gonna get headed out. It's been a good trip. Definitely need to get out of, you know, your normal lifestyle once in a blue moon. Much needed. So I'm gonna get rolling out of here. I'll catch you guys next time. Hit the like and subscribe. More content to come. See you guys. with me? Are you with me? That is a world of difference. You don't have to so let's get to it.